Hi, I'm Leo Porter.
I'm Christine Alvarado. And I'm Mia Minnis. Welcome to this third course in our intermediate Java programming and data structures specialization. Welcome back to those of you who have been with us from the beginning, and also welcome to those of you just joining us. We hope you're excited to learn some data structures and algorithms in the context of a really interesting project.
If you were with us for those first two courses, you've already learned a number of essential skills for a software engineer. You already know how to organize your code into classes, how to analyze and algorithms for its efficiency, and how to both use and implement a wide variety of data structures. In this course, we're going to be focusing on advanced data structures. Specifically, actually, just one data structure, graphs.
Wait, just one data structure? That's it?
Yeah, it actually turns out that graphs are such a complex topic that they kind of deserve a course in themselves. I mean, graphs are one of the most fundamental data structures in all computer science, and the algorithms associated with them are used in a variety of fields, not just computer science. In fact, graphs are such a big topic that they're actually a field in themselves, and a number of people have been successful in their careers just focusing on graphs.
Oh, I guess it's probably good that we're just focusing on graphs then, especially because our last two courses got a little large. So it also makes sense then that your project is going to focus on graphs. You're going to be building a full-scale mapping application with many of the features you expect from a product like Google Maps, like route planning. And in fact, you're going to get to use real-world street data that you get to choose. You're going to be building this application and then putting it into a front end that we provide that actually uses the Google Maps API. So in a sense, you really will be building your very own Google Maps.
And in the last week of the course, we'll be thinking about some of the algorithms that are needed for graphs and maps, and we'll actually come across some fundamental problems for which there's no known good algorithms. And when we say no known good algorithms, we mean no one in the world has found a good algorithm for solving some of these problems. So if you go ahead and find some of these solutions, you'd end up being pretty rich and famous.
Yeah, I know when I first learned about these problems, I was sure that I'd be the one to find that solution that everyone else had missed.
Yeah, it's so tantalizing. We've all looked for it. The thing is, though, that we still need to solve these problems. So even though there's no known good, efficient algorithms for solving them, we still need to find some way around that. So in this course, we'll be talking about heuristics and optimizations that may not give us the best solution, but still run pretty fast and give us some sort of an answer. So we'll talk about these problem solutions in this course, and we'll also come up with a way of rephrasing some problems and thinking about different ways of modeling the graph so that sometimes something that looked completely intractable becomes solvable. And we'll think about a particular example in bioinformatics that was done right here on campus at UC San Diego.
So thinking back to the logistics of this course, a number of your favorite features from our previous courses are returning. First, you've already heard about the project, and it's again going to be project-based. We're also going to allow you still to find your own path through the course, finding the right mix then of both challenge and support so that you can succeed. We're also going to still have UC San Diego learners talking about the concepts, and we're also going to have Google engineers talking about why those concepts matter on the job.
Ultimately, the skills you learn in this course, as well as the skills you learn in our prior two courses, are going to prepare you to succeed in a number of software engineering roles. Looking ahead to our next course, we'll give you more skills not only to succeed on the job, but also to succeed in the interview process. But that's getting ahead of ourselves. This course is all about graphs, so let's get started with those.